Second day.
Yes.
The significance of today and the remarks that you're going to be making. What is the importance of this day? What is the focus for the day?
Well, the focus for the day is on oceans, which is a very important subject that we would like communities to know about, school-going learners, and everyone, some of the people that we have invited here, because oceans are not only about those people who stay along the coast. There is a very strong relationship between oceans and even people who are inland and the rest of our country. We've got just about over 2,800 kilometers of ocean. I mean, not of ocean, of sea line. And one of the things we want to be emphasizing today is that the oceans is a source of huge potential for economic growth. It's normally called the blue economy. And usually oceans, if we have got a vibrant blue economy, it can develop the whole country, not just people who are along the coast. Secondly, there is another link that we sometimes do not emphasize between our rivers and the oceans. Because the Crocodile River, for instance, ends up in the Indian Ocean, in Mozambique. And what is the relationship between the rivers and the oceans? There are many things that one can point out. If we dirty our rivers, we're also running the risk of dirtying the ocean. And ocean is a source of the economy, is a source of life in so many in so many cases, in a number of ways. So that is what we are talking about. The topic of ocean is a big one in the G20, precisely because of the reasons that I've outlined, that oceans are a foundation for blue economy. Obvious things, shipping, it's a source of entertainment, it's a source for tourism, and all those things. So that's what we've come to talk about today, to say inland people also must be concerned about the oceans and what happens in our oceans, because there is mutual benefit between people who stay along the coast and people who are in the oceans. That is the main thing that is happening today. And most importantly, as I say, we've got members of some neighboring communities who are here, because also with G20, we don't want it to just be an office or conference-based things of scientists talking amongst themselves, usually in big, obscure language and English. But we also want to take the G20 to ordinary people so that they feel that they are part of this historic thing of South Africa hosting, being the president of the G20. I'm very excited about this, about today's program in particular.
Thank you so much. In your home language?
Sila namhlanje sizoxoxa ngolwandle noma ngezilwandle, kubaleka kolwandle noma kuyilandle ezweni nje nanoma liphi. South Africa sinolwandle oluhamba amakhilomitha ayinkulungwane 2 namakhulu ayisishiyagalombili ngaphezudlwana nje kwalokho. Kusho ukuthi-ke futhi-ke sinama-oceans, siney'lwandle ey'mbili, i-Indian ne-Atlantic, abanye bathi zintathu uma ubala lapha ezansi. Into-ke sizoyenza namhlanje ngaphandle nje kokuxoxisana sisodwa siyile nhlangano ye-G20, sibona ukuthi namhlanje ake sibize nemphakathi sizoxoxa nayo ukuze iscience le ikwaziyo ukuthi akuyona nje into yey'fundiso kuphela, kodwa nabantu bakithi kuningi okungafunakala bakwazi okwenziwa ososayensi. Kanti-ke into okungafunakali siyikhohlwe, kuningi esingakufunda kubantu bakithi singososayensi, lokhu esithi indigenous knowledge system. Abantu bakithi kudala iminyaka ngeminyaka bahlala nemfula, bahlala nolwandle, kunezinto eziningi abazenzayo ezinye sizifunde kubona. Ingakho ke sithe asilethi ngijabulisa kakhulu ke lento esiyenzayo namhlanje ngoba sifuna nomphakathi ube ingxenye yale mqungquthela enkulu ye-G20 ekhona eNingizimu Afrika. Thina njengomnyango wezobuchwepheshe nobuciko sithe asibizele umphakathi sizoxoxa nayo namhlanje ngoba enye into nje ngifuna ukuyisho ukuthi abanye abantu bazothi siyaphi pho webembombela ngoba imbombela ayinalwandle sazokhuluma ngezilwandle la. Ibalekile leyo nto ngoba ulwandle luyingxenye yezomnotho okwazi ukuthuthukisa lonke izwe, hayi kuphela nje abantu abahlala ngaseduze nalo uma ngabe selisebenzisa ngendlela eyiyona. Sikhumbule futhi ulwandle ilona okuhamba ngazo kufika ngazo nempahla ezithengwa izwe noma ezidayiswa izwe, ezinye zisuke ziphuma khona kulezi ndawo ezinjengala eNaspoti. Enye into ukukhona obunye ubudlelwane futhi esiye singabinaki kakhulu phakathi kwemfula nolwandle. Yonke imfula isikhathi esiningi iphelela olwandle. Manje indlela esiphatha ngayo imfula inemphumela ekutheni ulwandle kwenzekani. Masingcolisa imfula yethu singcolisa nolwandle, sesibulala izinto eziningi, sibulala ngisho ofishi, sibulala nokuthi ulwandle lethu luhlale lihlanzekile ukuze likwazi ukuthi lusebenze njengenye yezinto yokuthi sithuthukise imnotho yethu. Size ngalokho ke kulolu suku lwesibili size emphakathini ke namhlanje singaxoxi nje sisodwa sikhuluma isiNgisi.
Siyabonga.
Siyabonga.